guys, good morning. Today I will be cooking for you guys. I thought about making breakfast for you guys, so come and cook with me. If you guys are new, go hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting. Okay. And click that like button, the thumbs up, that helps so YouTube can suggest my videos to more people and we can keep growing. And if you are not new, then welcome back. I'm happy to have you guys all here. So let's begin. So I haven't made this in a while, so I love having like papas, like potatoes. You'll see, I'm bad at describing things, and I'll add a little bit of onion powder, obviously salt, and some pepper. And that'll be it, and then I'll be making some eggs. I don't know if I want like a fried egg or just scrambled, so we will see. But yeah. Okay, we just cut up our potatoes. Let's heat up our pan. And I'm going to add olive oil. Okay, I'll say about that much. Just let it get warm, not too hot, so you know you don't burn yourself. now you let it cook for a little bit, and then you'll add your seasoning. I like mine really like crispy, not too soft, but obviously not too hard. So we turn down the heat, so we turn down the heat so they can cook really good. So here they are. You want to turn it down. And then put a lid. There you go. Put a lid and let it cook. I'll come back and check on them in like 5-8 minutes. In the meantime, they will be cooking. Okay, let's check up. So you need to let them cook a little bit and then add your seasonings, because then it won't grab onto it. So let's put on our seasonings. These grinders, pepper grinders are so hard, so I know I love a lot of pepper. Okay, in the meantime, we're going to make ourselves our coffee. You guys know I use the Starbucks drink. Oh gosh. Okay. And then I've been liking this creamer, the Sweet Cream by Silk. I don't know if you guys can see. This creamer tastes really good. I don't know if they have a hazelnut one. They should come out with the hazelnut one. So Silk, if you are watching me, come up with the hazelnut one. In the morning. So yeah guys, if you guys are drinking your coffee in the morning, bon appetit. Okay, let's take off the lid so they can finish getting nice and crispy. Guys, I'm being honest, I feel like I shouldn't have added the onion. I'm not much of onion, and yeah, like I can smell it, but we turned up the heat a little bit. Well, let's do a little bit more and just leave them like that for maybe another 5-10 minutes. And yeah, and then we will make our eggs in the same pan. Okay, I think our potatoes are good. I'm going to take them out. I have this plate over here, so. Oh, and it has some oil. Okay, I'm not going to eat all of them. I'll probably, yeah. But here are the potatoes. I already took out the eggs. Let's add a little bit more oil. I think I'm just going to make them scramble. I think that's good. I don't want, even though it's olive oil, I still don't want to, you know, use too much. What kind of oil do you guys use? Okay. And then I'm going to use the everything bagel seasoning. This is really good. I started seeing people using this, and it makes your eggs and anything just taste good. Okay, let's get our eggs. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, probably not, huh? Okay, I better not attempt this. Should I? Okay. I think I got it, but okay. Let's do the other one. Okay, yeah, I can't. Okay, let's add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, because this already has salt. Okay, that's good. Turn the heat a little bit. Okay guys, here is our breakfast, more like brunch, but this is my breakfast. I'm eating this, and then my mom's salsa. Let's just put it on our food. just like that. And then, of course, you can't miss the homemade tortillas. Okay, guys, so let's see. My favorite meal of the day, and if I look this way, sorry, the camera's over here, but my favorite meal of the day is breakfast. I can eat breakfast all day, and I mean, breakfast can be different. Like, this is definitely more like lunch or dinner type of, well, it can be breakfast too. Like, who else eats potatoes in the morning? Potatoes with huevos rancheros. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was thinking of making it into like a mukbang. Oh, excuse me. Maybe answering some questions or just talking. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe just not showing you guys me making my breakfast, but maybe doing like a mukbang, answering your assumptions or people's assumptions. Let me know if you guys would want a video like that. Comment down below. I know that you guys kind of like the mukbangs. So yeah, but I'll leave the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys liked this video. Go check out my other videos. I've been on a roll, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love you guys. Remember that we are all beautiful in our own way. Don't let anyone tell you, make you feel any less.